I'm here with my first wig once more. It's the same packaging as usual. So when I open the box, I see the hair, the wig, obviously, and I see that there's a wig cap in there. So I took a peek, and I was surprised to see that my first wig actually has their own lace glue. Their own lace with glue, so that's bomb. I'm super excited to go ahead and try this out for this install. So this is how it looks. It has my first wig on it, lace glue, that's what it's branded, and it even has like the directions in the back of what you're supposed to do. So I'm excited for that. This as well in the box, a little pouch saying my first wig, and inside I have two of these crocodile mouth clips which is, I love them so much, and a rat tail comb. That's everything that came in the package. So yeah, oh my gosh, I love this. It's a bob, guys. We're working with a bob. It's more of a long vibe. It's so nice and silky. So this is, the code of this hair is CB017, and it is a silky straight texture. As you guys can see, it has two long streaks in the front. It's 14 inches long, and it's a medium cap size. It's also a Swiss lace front that we're working with today, guys. It's a Swiss lace front. It is pre-plucked. It's so nice. I love the fact that most of these wigs are Swiss lace these days. Oh my gosh, that makes me so happy, because the lace is so undetectable, as you guys know, with Swiss lace wigs. This is a medium brown lace as well, so that's even better. And you could pretty much part it anywhere, but the deepest portion is in the middle. Like, you could get the deepest part there. So yeah, on the inside, that's how it looks. And it has a total of 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back, and it even has extra, like an extra elastic band. You know, you could go ahead for extra security, which I'm definitely going to use. All right, guys, I went in and I got started by just cleansing my hairline, ensuring that there's absolutely no makeup there or anything. So, because you know the wig glue works best this way, and obviously that's what I'm using to apply my wig today. I must say I was super excited to see that they had a lace wig glue. I mean, I didn't know. So I'm always up to try new lace wig glue, because I'm still on the hunt to find a really good glue that I can go to the gym in my wig and it doesn't sweat off. You know, that's what I've experienced with all my lace wig glues so far. Guys, if you're hearing any noises in the back, that's kids playing. That's kids playing, so forgive me for that. But yeah, I must say my experience with this glue wasn't too bad at all. It dried down clear just like any other glue I've used. I must say, once I touched it, before I even applied the lace on top of it, it was super tacky. And you see that I went in with a little bit of my Goddess Bee spray over the top of it. I realized this is a little thing I do to just seal it off and ensure that it stick right off the bat once I put that lace down. Because sometimes I find that lace can take a while to, you know, kind of stick the right way with just the glue. I don't know if that's just me or what, but it makes the whole like super strong instantly. So it's more of an instant thing from you. That's the reason why I use the Got to Be spray. You really don't have to if you don't want to, but the hold right here was really good. And yes, the direction on the back of the bottle to get that extreme hold says 3 to 5 layers, but I only did 2 just because I won't be wearing this for a very long time. But I did 2 just to be safe, and I must tell you, the hold on it was really good. So I was really impressed with that. And to just seal it off before I go in and start cutting off the excess lace, I got my elastic band. You know, that's an amazing item to have to help with your meltdown of your lace. Once I was done with that, I started to just apply my flyaway tamer and just kind of lay everything with my hot comb. But right here, it felt really good, I must say, on my hairline. I could definitely tell this glue, yeah, I like it. And I see where easily I can say from now on I feel like this glue will be my go-to. Yeah. I bought a glue the other day, a lace glue, and it was just okay. You know, it's okay. it works okay. It's just okay. So I feel like I want to still test it out, this one out specifically, a couple more times to be sure. So I feel like my next install with a glue, I'm going to use this glue just to keep on testing it and see if it's, you know, all that, you know. I want to be sure, but so far so good. That's what I can say as of right now. I'm not going to like over exaggerate, or, you know, I still need to test it out more. So as you can see, I'm still laying here. I'm laying the middle portion down with my hot comb, and I decided to rock it in the center part that it came with. You could definitely go in and part it like on the side if that's what you feel for. And I really love the way this was looking. You could definitely keep it at the initial length that it came with, but man, I know something about the short bob what I just love from the other day. I don't know, you guys, if you've been following up, you see that I had received a couple bobs previously that I cut, or that I got this length that I cut this bob to, and it was just amazing. So that's the vibe I was in for. That's the vibe that I was going for today with this bob, and that's what I did. I cut off like 2 inches off of it. So yeah, I wanted that short bob vibe. I didn't want the long bob vibe. The initial length was 14 inches, so now it's literally like probably 12 or 11. Yeah, so I went through that with my flat iron. I was gonna say hot iron. I went through the hair with that, so yeah. Oh my gosh, yes, this wig deserves excitement. Okay, I don't know, but this bob style, it's grown on me. Doing this specific kind of bob, I don't know, it's just sleek and nice and effortless. And the lace wig, my first wig, they've been doing some really nice wigs. So I 20 out of 10 recommend this wig. This wig is bomb, super silky, super easy to work with. The hairline, 10. It was so easy to straighten and everything. You don't have to cut it shorter like I did. I just wanted to do that, but so nice. So shout out to them. I'm going to be sure to put all the specification of this wig in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. That's it for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself.